Hello friends, welcome to RRS channel. Today we are going to discussing about the one of the data type in Python, that is set data type. So basically we are using the set in different purpose. We are using in Python only. So in the initial time only, set has some features only. So these points are the set features only. So let we discuss in one by one features along with examples how the features are impact on the Python set only we will discuss to clearly. The first point is set is a mutable object. Set is a mutable object. Mutable means once we define the set object, once we define the set object, that object we are able to modify the existing items, deleting the existing item or adding the new items to the set object only. That is called as a mutable object means. But here also Python has two types of objects as mutable objects, immutable objects means. Mutable means we can changeable the object existing object or deleting the existing object only. Immutable means once we define the object, we can't modify or we can't update in the object in specified the immutable object only. Example of tuple is the immutable object. Already discussed this immutable and immutable in the list and tuple data types only. So I think not required for more information regarding the what is immutable and what is immutable only. Coming to next point, set is a collection of homogeneous and heterogeneous data types of elements are enclosed with the curly braces. Because the meaning of homogeneous and heterogeneous means homogeneous means same type of elements. Heterogeneous means a different data type of elements. So set allows the either homogeneous data type or heterogeneous data type only. But the both any database either in homogeneous either in heterogeneous both elements are enclosed with the curly braces only. Then only the interpreter considered as a set data type only. Otherwise won't consider as a set data type only. The third point is item insert in order is fixed. Item insert in order is fixed. So once we define the set object only, in the installation in the insert in the items order is fixed only. Because of once we define the order is item insert in order is not fixed, because of in comparing to tuple list some listing type only, we can define the list object only, tuple object only, whatever the starting element is inserted. So in the output also same insertion order only it will written, but the insertion order is not fixed only. So let we discuss the one by one only. First of all, how to create the empty set only. In this case, how to create the empty set. In this case, how to create the empty set. How to create the empty set. The to creating the empty set, we are using the set function. Set function. This set function is the built-in function in Python. So with the help of the set function, we can able to create in the empty set only. With the help of the set function, we are able to create an empty function only. That's why I am using the set function only. Those results are stored in the one variable. That variable name is called as a this variable. And also for output purpose, I am printing the variable. Also I want to know the type of the printable object, that is a type of the s only. So now I am going to run this code only. It will return the empty set and also type of the set is yes only. In the comment to this data type only. So up to this one I am commented this lines. So I am running the code. See, this is the empty set only. So in the empty set only, the type of the S object is comes under the set object, set data type only. That's why there is the to create an empty object. This is the only one option to create in the empty set object only. But in coming to the further lines, comment only. So in the previous videos only, for creating the empty list, for creating the empty tuple only, using the for creating the empty list using the square brackets, empty square brackets, for creating the empty tuple using the empty parentheses only. In the same way, here also I am I am using the empty curly braces only. These open close flower brackets we call it as a curly braces. Curly braces. So I'm using the empty curly braces only. In the same way, type in the object, print the object, and also find out in the type of the object only. But here also, let we will see what will return the output. See here also empty set is print, but class type is comes under the dictionary. Class type is comes under dictionary. This is not a set. This is a dictionary. That's why this method is for creating the empty set. This method is we will not use. If you want to create in the empty set at any requirement at the time, we can use the only one option is set function only. With the help of set function, we will able to create in the set object. Otherwise, there is no other options. Okay. Creatine set along with homogeneous elements. Creatine set along with homogeneous elements. Here I am creating here I am creating one set object. This is the object name is yes. Also inside this object has the some elements. Those elements are 1 2 4 7 9 3, and I'm trying to print that object and also find out in the type of with the help of type function find in the type of the object what kind of data type object is comes under the. Okay, so I'm printing this one only. So I'm commenting this lines. I'm running this code. So these are the printed whatever the items are inserted, and also the class type also it will return. But if you are clearly observe that, if you clearly observe that I'm inserting elements order is 1 2 4 7 9 3, but in the final output is written is in the ascending order 1 2 3 4 7 9. So that's why we call it as a the in the set of objects items are in the inserting order is not fixed. That's why we discuss in the point only. Which point? In the second point, item insertion order is not fixed. That's why this is the proof of item insertion order is not fixed. This is the proof and comes under the creatine set along with heterogeneous elements only. In the starting only we discussed homogeneous, heterogeneous. Homogeneous means same data type. Here, if you are clearly observe that all elements are having this same data type. Which data type? Int data type. In the terms under these elements are different data types are available. So up to 1, 2, 4, 7, 9, 3. These are the int data type. 10.5 is the floating data type. True is the boolean data type. Hello is the string data type. So multiple data type items are available in the set object. This is called a heterogeneous data type. This is called a heterogeneous data type. This is also a not insertion order is not fixed. See in the hello is I was inserting the last item only, but in the output is written in the middle of the item is inserted in the hello only. So this is the proof of set object is insertion order is not fixed. And also it will support both it will handle in the both the homogeneous and heterogeneous data type. Next one, set doesn't allow duplicates. Set does not allow duplicates. The proof of why set doesn't allow duplicates means so I am declaring the one set object. The set object having this some duplicate elements also. I want to print that object as object only. Here the set object has the elements is 1 2 3 4 2 3 1. Here 2 3 is the repeated elements in the S set object, but here also finally return the output is 1 2 3 4. That is why set doesn't allow duplicates. That's why set doesn't allow duplicates. Set not support concatenation and repetition. Set not support concatenation and repetition. So for that proof of So I'm creating two set objects. S1 has some elements, S2 has some elements. So S1 plus S2, this is the both S1 and S2 is the two set object names, plus is the additional operator. Here also additional operator is sometimes called as a concatenation operator. Whatever the concatenation return the output only, those output is stored in the one object. That object name is the result. And line number 366, I want to print the result only. Now I am trying to run this file only. We will get the error means unsupported type. Sorry friends, some syntax errors, but I'm commented. And then I'm run the code. Type error unsupported often because of set object is not supported the concatenation. Set object is not supported the concatenation. In the same way, repetition means this is called as a multiplication. It is working, and also repetition also working in this. But here, after the repetition, I want to two times repeating the elements only. I want to two times repeating the corresponding set object elements only. But here, set doesn't support the repetition operator. That's why here also I'm getting the same error, unsupported operand only. So this is the proof of set doesn't support the concatenation and repetition. Set does not support the concatenation and repetition. Okay. Next one is set built-in functions. Next one is set built-in functions. Next one is set built-in functions. So I'm creating one S1 object. S1 object has some elements. Those elements are 1, 2, 3. I'm printing the S1 object. S1 I'm printing S1 object. After that, I want to add the one item because of in the video starting discussed set is a mutable object. Mutable object means we can add the item, deleting the existing item only. So like manipulated operations are supported. That's why I want to add single item to the corresponding set object. That's why in the using the add function. This is the built-in function. This built-in function is supported in the set data type items only. Set data type items only. That's why I want to add the four item to the existing S1 object only. And so before adding the item to the set object only, I'm printing the original set object. After adding the new item to the set object only, printing the updated set object only. I'm trying to run this code. Three 62. Sorry guys. Okay, and I am running this code. Okay, before adding the item to the existing set object, the original set object elements are 1, 2, 3. After adding the item to the set object is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in this case, see S1 that add of I want to add the multiple elements to the existing set object only. Here I am declaring the multiple elements only. So set S1 dot add of tuple object 5 comma 6 print of S1 S1 dot add of 7 comma 6 only. But here the tuple object, whatever the tuple object is added in the only, the add function is by defaultly accepting only one argument only. But here I am passing the two arguments, but those two arguments are enclosed with the parenthesis. So that's why by defaultly interpreter that is considered as a single item only. It is inserted in the set object only, set of tuple object only. In the coming to line number 382, so individually we are passing the two arguments only. Individually we are passing the two arguments only. But other cases add function is allowing only one argument only. That's why in this time we are getting the error. Add function is not allowing the name error s1 is not defined. See name error s1 is not defined. S1 is not defined. So then I'm decline only. Okay, I am on the row only. Yeah, this is the first object only. So for our confirmation, I am commented these two lines. I'm commented this two lines and then this one 1 2 3 4 5. Actually I was passing the two arguments 5 comma 6, but these two arguments are enclosed with the parenthesis only. That's why the add function is allowing only single argument only. It is all these two arguments are considered as a single argument only. That's why list of tuple set of tuple is the declared only. But if you pass the multiple items only, if you pass the multiple items only. Now I commented these two lines and uncommented these lines. At the time we are getting the error, type error. Set that function add function takes exactly one argument only, but we are passing the two arguments only. That's why this is the not supported the multiple arguments for adding the add function only. But I want to add the multiple items to the existing set object only. At the time we are using the update function. At the time we are using the update function. At the time we are using the update function. At the time we are using the update function. Here S1 has 1 to 3 elements. S1 at update of 4 to 5 6 only. Print of S1 only. It will expand in the length of the set object only. So this is the first item, second item, third item. Four, four item to the fourth place instead. Fifth and sixth items are the inserted in the set object. Okay, this is the output of the updated function only. So the length of the set object is extended, but previously in the comment to these two lines only, here also I was passing the two arguments 5 comma 6 only, and in the before adding the add function only, the length of the s1 object is 3, but after adding this function, the length of the s1 object is actually we are getting the 5, but here it will both 5 comma 6 are enclosed with a curly parenthesis only. That's what is considered as a single argument only. That's why that is the length of the s1 object is 4 only. Here there is we are not passing any additional only. The updated function is expanding the length of the arguments only, find out in the corresponding set object only. This is the built-in function for adding the multiple items to the set object. Now coming to these lines, so I'm creating one object, S1 object has 1 to 3 elements. After that, so I want to clear the items from the object only. I want to clear the items from the object only, but object is still exist only. At the time we are using the clear function only. At the time we are using the clear function only. If we clearly observe and run the code only, so here 1 to 3 in the before using the clear function 1 to 3 is there. After executing the clear function, again I am print the s1 object only. S1 object is written the empty set only. Because of items are deleted from the object only, but object is not deleted from the memory. Only items are deleted from the object. Object is not deleted from the memory. This is the proof of clear function. How it is which will works in the clear function the set object only. But I want to delete the entire object from the memory. Items along with object want to delete from the memory. At the time we can use the del keyword. This is the built-in keyword in Python. With the help of the del keyword we can delete the object only. So after run this code, we are getting the name error. We are getting the S1 name not found name error. Because why we are getting this error? Because of, so in the line number 394, the S1 object is deleted from the memory. After deleting the S1 object, we are trying to print the S1 object only. But here S1 object is not existed in the memory. That's why we are getting the name error. That's why we are getting the name error. Okay. Now deleting specific item from the set. Deleting specific item from the set. So deleting specific item from the set only. So in this cases, I decline the S1 object. S1 object has some elements, and those elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and print the S1 object. After printing the S1 object, I want to use the one built-in function, remove function. The remove function is the built-in one of the built-in function in set object only. So with the help of remove function, for able to delete the specific item from the set object only. Specific item from the set object only. Now we run the program only. See here, before executing the remove function 5 is available. After executing the remove function 5 is not available. 5 is not available. In case if the here 5 is available, then deleting the 5 item from the set of the. In case if the item is not available, if the item is not available in the set object, then it will throw on the error. It will throw on a T error. Which error? T error it will throw because of 11 is not available. In case 11 is available, then it will remove the 11 item from the object only. But here 11 is not available. That's why it throw the error. Okay, that's why it throw the error. But in the coming to, but in the coming to but in the coming to discard function but in the coming to discard function is in if discard function is 11 is available. Here also I'm passing one argument is 11. 11 is available, it will delete the item. If 11 is not available, it won't raise any error, it won't throw any error. Example, this is the first item. So here also printing the 11. Here 11 is not available. That's why now I want to instead of 11, I want to delete the the 9 item from the object only. Here in the before this executing the discard function 9 is available. After executing the listed function, 9 is not available. So in case 9 is not available, it won't throw error. It won't throw any error only. The major difference between the remove function and listed function is if the item is available in the corresponding set object only, then remove the item from the object only. In case item is not available, in case item is not available in the corresponding set object, at the time it will throw an error. But in the coming to the distort function, item is available from the corresponding set object, then it will delete the uh, it will delete the whatever the item is mentioned in the distort function only, those item is deleted. But in case item is not available in the corresponding set object, it won't throw any error. That is the major difference. Remove and distort function. Remove and distort function, that is the major difference. But in the coming to the pop function, so pop function is deleting the specific element. So we can't see which element is deleted because of set object is not supported the order. Sorry, not following, not inserting the elements in the order only. That's why we can't say which elements are specifically deleted. Also, in comparing to tuple object and list objects only, both tuple and list are supported the indexing and slicing. With the help of the indexing only, with the help of the selection only, we are able to delete in the specific element or specific range of elements only data. But in the set object does not support the slicing and indexing. That's why it won't. We can't say the which item is deleted. Now I'm run this code only. See, initially is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 elements is there, but after executing the for function, one item is deleted. Again, I am running this again code only. At the time, which element is deleted, we will see. So at the time, in the third time only, second item is deleted only. That's why it will return the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. So this is the example of the mutable only. So we able to, with the help of the add function and remove object function only, we can add the new item to the existing object. With the help of the remove function and discard function and pop function only, we can able to delete in the remove and discard only with the help of the deleting the specific item only. Pop function we can't say which item is deleted in the set object. Okay, set support the added functions. Added functions means minimum function, maximum function, sum functions only. So set supports the added functions only. Added function, if the length function is already discussed in the length function is string data type, tuple data type, list data type only already discussed. Because of the usage of length function is with the help of the length function we can find out in the length of the object only. With the help of the length function we will able to find out in the length of the object only. The minimum function is it will return the minimum value. Maximum function is return the maximum value. Sum function is return the sum of the each item from the set object. Sum of the each item from the set object, it will return the value. So once we run this code only, sorry, once we run this code only, so this is the minimum value, 1 is the minimum value, 5 is the maximum value. Summation of each item for the set object is 15, and length of the set object is 5. Length of the set object is 5. Set does not support indexing and slicing. Already discussed the set not support the indexing and slicing. For your confirmation, I want to show the proof only. Why set does not support the. For your information, I want to show the proof only. Here I want to fetch the 0 index position only. I am trying to run this code only. Here I am between the line number 522. But now I'm running this code only. So it will return the type set object is not subscriptable because of set is does not support the indexing only. In the same again I'm commenting this line and uncommented line number 429 and we can fetch in the sequence of elements from using the help of the slicing only. Slicing also written the same error type error only. Slicing also not supported. So this is the proof of set is not supporting the indexing and slicing. This is the proof of set is not supported the indexing and slicing. Now set support the set operations. Set support the set operation. Set has supporting some operation. What are those operations? What are those operations? So in starting only set support some set operations like union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference, intersection update, difference update, symmetric difference update, is superset, is subset, is designed, allow any. These are the built-in functions in the set data type only. These functions are supported only in the set data type only. Remaining data types are not supported. So let we will see one by one example. Then only we will get the clear clarity. So here I declaring the two set objects. One is the S1 object and second one is the S2 object. S1 object has the some elements. S2 object has the some elements. Those elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we clearly observe that both set objects have common elements. What are those common elements? 3, 4 are the common elements. 3 and 4 are the common elements. So first function is I use the union function. So union function means combining the both object elements and return the output only. Here also here we can use the like alphabetical wise we can declaring the inserts. So we can use the union or else in the symbolic wise we can use the pipe symbol only. Here also both print statements are written the same output. What will return the output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the union function. This is the union function comes under the intersection function. So intersection function is fetching the common elements, from both set 1 and set 2 object. Intersection of definition means fetching the common elements from both set 1 and set 2 objects only. So now I am running this code only. It will return the common elements 3, 4, 3, 4. So if you clearly observe that S1 object has 3, 4, S2 object has commonly has 3, 4 only. So it will return the intersection function is return the common elements from the both set 1 and set 2 object only. Now comment the different next one is difference. So the difference function abbreviation or difference function definition is non-common elements from the set one object non-common elements, it will return the non-common elements from the set1 object only. So S1 object has non-common elements 1 comma 2 only. 1 comma 2 doesn't have S2 object only. So if we can say that 1 comma 2 is the non-common elements, 3 comma 4 is the common elements from the both sets only. So S1 dot difference of S2 in the symbolic way only, S1 minus S2 only, it will return the both print statements are same output 1 comma 2 is the 1 comma 2 only. Okay, next one is the symmetric difference. Next one is the symmetric difference. The symmetric difference definition is non-common elements from the both sets. It will return the non-common elements from the set 1 and set 2. Non-common elements, what are those? So here S1 has the non-common element is 1 comma 2, S2 is the non-common element is the 5 comma 6 only. What are those common elements? 3 comma 4. So except 3 comma 4 only, it will return the 1 2 5 6 because of non-common elements return the from the both S1 and the S2 object only. So it will return the both 1 2 5 6 1 2 5 6, it will return the, this is the symmetric difference only. The intersection update means intersection update. So intersection update before executing the intersection of update is I am printing the S1 object and S2 object only. After executing the intersection update function means I am printing the S1 and object, S2 object only. The normal intersection means normal intersection function means it will fetch the common elements from both function only. But here intersection update means fetching the common elements from both sets and updating the common elements in S1 object only. S1 object. But here I am declaring the S2 object only. So the meaning of S2 dot intersection underscore update of S1 means fetching the common elements from both sets S1 and S2 only. Whatever the updated values are updated in the S2 object, and S1 is as it is same only. So S1 objects are not S1 object elements are not changed only. So if you run the code only, so before intersection update means 1 2 4 3 4 3 4 5 6. After executing only 1 2 3 4 S1 object is not changed because of whatever the updated result is there. Updated results are stored in the S2 object. Updated results are stored in the S2 object. So that's why S2 object is updated. But here instead of S2 I'm mentioning the S1 only, and also I'm declaring the S2 only. But again I'm run this code only. So here now S1 object is updated. S1 object is updated with the common elements 3 comma 4 only. S2 object is as it is the whatever the items are available, those items are represented display in the consoler. So this is the intersection update. This is the intersection update. Now come to difference update. Difference update. So the difference update means difference in comparing to difference and difference update means in the normal difference function means fetching the non-common elements from the set1 object only. But here difference update means fetching the non-common elements from S1 object. Also those updated results are updated to the specified object only. Here I mentioned the S2 dot difference update of S1 only, fetching the non-common elements from the object only. Those objects are updated. Those objects are updated in the S2 only. Those results are here S2 dot difference underscore update of S1 only. Here non-common elements are 1 comma 2. S2 is updated with 1 comma 2. S2 is updated with here S2 is updated with S2 is updated with 5 comma 6 because of non-common elements are 5 comma 6 only in the S2 update. But here if I mention the S1 only, S1 S2 S1 S2 only, here difference update is fetching the non-common elements from S1 only, and also the updated results are updated in the S1 object. S2 is same as it is. Okay, S1 object is updated with the updated result is 1 comma 2. S2 is same as it is only. S2 is same as it is. Now next one is the symmetric difference update. Next one is the symmetric difference update. So in the normal symmetric difference means fetching the non-common elements from both sets. Fetching the non-common elements from the both sets. But in the symmetric difference update is fetching the non-common elements from the both sets, and also those updated results are updated in the set one object only. Set one object only. So here also fetching the non-common elements. Non-common elements are 1 in the from the set one object. Non-common elements are 1 comma 2. Set 2 non-common elements are 5 comma 6. So those 1 2 5 6 are results are updated in the S1 object. So S2 is no as it is the whatever the adjacent items is the adjacent vectors. So here also 3 comma 4. If we instead of S1 only mention the S2, and also here mention the S1 only. S2 is updated with the updated results. S2 is updated with the updated results. This is the symmetric difference. This is the symmetric difference. The next one is the next one is superset subset. Next one is superset subset. Next one is superset subset only. Here I am declaring the three sets object. S1 has some elements, S2 has some elements, S3 has some elements. So print S2 dot is subset of S1. S2 dot is subset of S1 means the meaning of S2 is S2 is a subset of S1 only, because of whatever the S2 object has having the elements only, those elements are available in the S1 object. If we clearly observe that S2 object has elements is 3 4 5, these elements are available in the S1 object. That's why S2 is subset of S1 only. So this is the true cases only. That's why it will return the boolean value means true. That is, it will return the boolean value means true. The comment to S1 dot is superset of S2, because of S1 having the 1 2 3 4 5, S2 having the 3 4 5. The common values are 3 4 5. Additionally, S1 has having the some elements on it. That's why S1 is superset of S2. That is the true. That's why it will return the boolean value true only. The comment to the line number 3, S3 dot is disjoint of S1 means here comparing the common values. Is there any common values are available from both sets S1 and S3? There is no common elements here. 1 2 3 4 5, here 7 8, but here also I am checking the condition only. S3 dot is disjoint of S1 only. Here there is no common elements. Here there is no common elements. That's why this is a true. Here is a disjoint because of there is no join elements. There is no common elements. This is a disjoint only. That's why this is the true. Okay. Now I am trying to this code. True, true, true. Why? Because there is no term. In case, here is there any common values? 3 comma 4 is there is the common values. At the time it will return the false because of some common elements are there. But the function is there is no common. The meaning of is disjoint means there is no common elements from both sets only. That is a false. That's why it will return the false only. That's why it will return the false only. Now come to next one. Now come to next one. All and any function. All and any function. So the all function, for example, I am declaring the means 1 comma true comma 1 comma true. So now I am running this code. Print of S1, then enter print of all of S1. So all of S1 only. So the set object has elements is 1 true 1 true. So all elements are having the one only. So the all function is it will return the if the object has having the all elements are true values only, it will return the true. If the object is having the all elements are false elements, it will return the false only. Now I am run this code only, it will return the true only. I am run this code, it will return the true only. The line number print of S1 means it will return the 1 only. Why? Because it will return the only one value means C set object does not allow duplicates. That's why it will return the only one elements only. So all elements are true values. That's why it will return the true only. In case so S2 equal to false comma 0 comma false. Then print all of S2. Then all of S2. So all objects are having the false elements only. At the time it will return the false only. At the time it will return the false only. In case the object is having the both elements, false values and true values only. At the cases object has having the both elements like true, 0, 1, false. Here also, see here also true values, false values, both values are there. At the time it will return the false only. At the time it will return the false. At the time it will return the false only. See, this is the false value. At the time it will return the false only. This is the uses of all function. So all elements are having the true values, it will return the true. All elements are having the false values, it will return the false value. So either the object is having the both false values and true values, it will return the false values only. It will return the false only. Now coming to the is4 equal to. Now I am commented these lines. Now coming to the s4 equal to any function. So s4 is having the s4 is having the s4 is having the all false values 0 comma false comma 0 comma false. Now I am printing this one. Print of any of s4. Print of any of s4, it will return the false because of the any function is returned true, which cases at least one item is having the true item in the set object only. At the time it will return the true. In case here if you clearly observe that all items are false values, that's why it will return the false values only. Now I am creating a one more object s5 equal to 0 comma false comma 0 comma 1. In this cases print s5. So here also three items are false values, only one is the true. In the cases only any of 5, any of the object is at least the object has at least one single item is true value, then only it will return the true only. In case all objects are having the non-true values, all items are having the false value, at the time it will return the false only. Now here also three items are false values, one item is a true value, it will return the true because of at least one value has the true value, it will return the true. Just one value is written, it will return the true. So this is the usage of all function and any function. This is the usage of all function and any function. Now up to this also the set operations is over. One small concept is there that is related to the set object only, that is called a one more data type, that is called a frozen set, that is called frozen set. Frozen set is not a separate topic, it is a part of the set object only. The major difference means frozen set and set object means set object is a mutable object, frozen set is immutable object only. So with the help of the set object only, we will able to create in the frozen set only. For example, I am creating the one set object like 1, 4, 7, 9, 12, 15. So this is the set object. If you print yes, print type of yes, print type of yes, it will return the set only. It will return the set data problem. Now I want to frozen set. So with the help of the built-in function frozen set. So frozen set of yes only. And then I'm printing the same lines. Copy these lines. So it also only. So before conversion, it will return the set object and also it will return the set elements only. After using the frozen set built-in function only, this is written the type of the set is frozen set. This is type of this is the frozen set only. This is the type of the frozen set only. But if you clearly observe that, okay, like that we are with the help of the set object only we are able to create in the projection only. But in the real time real cases only mostly we are using the set object only. Projection set we don't use, but in the concept wise we will discuss in the project how to decline the projection set only. So how to define the projection set with the help of the set object only. That's why I'm telling the this concept only. But this is not a much more use in the real time scenarios only. Whatever. So up to this is the set data type only. Now finally this is the set data type is over only. If you like my channel, please subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt only, please comment it in the comment section. Definitely I will reply for your comments only. If you have any doubts only, please don't forget to comment it only. I will definitely reply to comments only. Also please subscribe my channel and also your friends also refer to my channel only. Also please subscribe my channel. One more time, please subscribe my channel only. If you subscribe my channel, if you mention any comment at the time also I am also curiosity to discuss in more and more new concept friends. Thank you so much.